I want to make some high shelves to go here and here. And for that I want to use the template feature of my quickset tenon jig to make double tenons. But first I have to make the double mortises with my slot mortiser. So I've worked out a tenon thickness that works well with these mortises. Now I just need to reproduce that as a template to make 2 of them. So I've got my stops set for the tenon that I just made, and this is my marking tool. I'll just put that in here and mark the other end of it. And that's the size notch I need on here. Now I need to make another notch so that I get another tenon 1 inch over, and since the lever multiplies 3 to 1, I just copy that over by 3 inches, and there's my second notch. So I realized I got this backwards because even though these stops give me the 4 positions for the 4 cuts, I actually want to sweep through the middle part here. So it's much better to have ridges where the tenons go, so I can go here and then go here and sweep across. Okay, these are a little bit too wide because I actually had 4/12 thou of distance, so I have to tweak that a little bit. Okay, now finally ready to cut a test tenon. I hadn't planed these pieces of wood because I wanted all the thickness I could get, and the wood was actually quite crooked to begin with. So this is my extra large shelving bracket. I can't jump on the shelves way up there, but I have to do some testing. Now, I do have one reservation about these shelves, which is not, are the shelf brackets strong enough? It's, are they sufficiently well attached to the wall?